Since you support Ricky, what did you learn from him?
Oh, Ricky Rick. Umseko, obvious.
Top of the shirt, Versace. Top of the watch, Rolly. Look at the belt, Goyard.
Ukwatini.
Top of the shoes, Gucci. Custom made, John Bourne, all the way in LA. Come on, I'm out of here.
Ukonini sisanga. Awufezi nawuzakuhola umsewu ngaba yini mamazi. Yini oyifundayo kuyena uRicky Rick njengomuntu omthandayo mfethu?
Yo, he's just that guy.
Best decision was probably to decide to be fresh and fly the rest of my life.
That guy. Yeah.
Can you like vocal?
No, but music, I love his music. Yeah.
Okay. uRicky Rick yini oyifunda kuyena wena ongathi namhlanje usaphila naye?
Ngafunda ukuthi you can be able to enjoy yourself noma ungena mali as a student because vele this was created for students vele ingane ezincane.
Yeah.
You can be able to express yourself in the way you're going corner and stuff. Yeah, that's what I mean.
So wasifundisa nje ukuthi energy yakho mfethu ungabi shy ufana nami shwe nganika so yini oyifunda uRicky Rick nje umuntu like ulale music wakhe and ugikhothin first wawulale music uRicky Rick. Okay, so ayikho into ayifunda again.
Ikona.
Yeah, nomsweko
Fashion.
Feel, I can hear you.
Fashion.
I feel, I can hear you.
Yes.
uRicky Rick smanze fashion I mean.
Yeah.
Super dope.
You know what? Yeah.
So mama, babut bang. Yiphi ngoma uRicky Rick ngithandayo? Sokuqala ngawo.
I
Bosonto. Ungishela yena.
Bathi usabani kusemaseba